Let's make a paper bow today, using pieces of decorative card and a ready-made paper rose. This is the bow we are making. You could change the shape of the bow slightly, or you could make the bow in a different size. Cut 2 rectangles and lay them over each other. Fold them in half. Cut out the shape of the bow. You could experiment with the curves and see which shape of bow you like best. Separate the 2 pieces of card. This will be the top of the bow. To make the bottom of the bow, cut out a thinner strip of paper and fold it in half. Cut alongside the fold and layer the pieces of card on top of each other. Cut out a little triangle at the bottom. Now, we just need to glue all these pieces together. Let's glue together the pieces at the bottom first. Let's add the parts that form the top of the bow. Reshape the card, making it look like a bow. Apply glue to the central part of the bow, attaching all loose parts and forming a bow. Finally, glue on the ready-made rose, decorating the center of the bow. You could use this bow to decorate your wedding guest book, a post box, your wedding cake table, or any other part of your wedding venue. For more DIY videos, and for information on our training courses, please visit www.weddingcraftsacademy.com.